Okay, hello everyone. So today we would like to presentations about the analysis articles with the structures of academics article Imrat. So with me Ilham Bintang Maulana and my partners Rafi Bayhaki Alfairus, and then we choose one of the topic about the medical themes and titles of advances in the research of nanodrugs delivery system for targeted treatments of liver fibrosis. And the first introductions, liver fibrosis is a pathological conditions that occurs as a consequence of chronic liver injury caused by various factors, including viral hepatitis, alcohol abuse, metabolic disorder, toxin, and autoimmune disease. Persistent liver damage triggers a wound healing response characterized by excessive accumulations of extracellular matrix, or we can say ACM proteins, leading to the disruptions of normal liver architecture and functions. If untreated, liver fibrosis may progress to cirrhosis and hepatocellular carcinoma, or we can say HSC. Currently, available therapeutics approaches mainly focus on removing causative factors, inhibiting hepatic stelates, or we can say HSA, activating, promoting ACM degradations, and reducing inflammations. However, conventional antifibrotic drugs often suffer from poor targeting ability. Limited therapeutics efficacy and undesirability side effects. Therefore, nanodrugs delivery systems have recently gained significant attention as a promising strategy to improve target therapy and enhance the treatment's efficiency of liver fibrosis.
And then for the methodology, this study employed a literature review approach to summarize and analyze recent advances in nanodrug delivery systems for the targeted treatment of liver fibrosis. Relevant scientific studies and experimental findings related to nanocarriers targeting ligands and cell-specific delivery strategies were examined. The review focused particularly on nanocarrier system designed to target key cellular component involved in liver fibrosis, including hepatic stellate cells, hepatocytes, Kupffer cells, and liver sinusoidal endothelial cells.
And then results, the review highlights that hepatic stellate cell or HSC activations play a central role in the pathogenesis of liver fibrosis by promoting the excessive depositions of ECM's components. And recent developments in nanotechnology have enabled the designs of various nanodrug delivery systems capable of targeting fibrosis-related cells. These systems, including inorganic nanoparticles such as metal-based nanoparticles and organic nanoparticles, including liposomes, polymeric micelles, and biodegradable polymers nanoparticle. Targeting strategies commonly utilize a specific receptor expressed on activated hepatic stellate cell, such as mannose 6 phosphate receptors, platelet-derived growth factor receptors, integrins, and retinol binding proteins receptors. In addition to HSC targetings, nanocarrier systems can also be directed towards Kupffer cells, hepatocytes, and liver sinusoidals, endothelial cells to reduce inflammatory response, protect hepatocytes, and inhibits the progressions of the fibrosis. These targeted delivery systems have demonstrated improved drugs accumulations in the liver and enhanced antifibrotic effects in experimental models.
discussion, nanodrug delivery systems offer several advantages over conventional therapeutic approaches in the treatment of liver fibrosis by modifying nanoparticle characteristics such as particle size, surface charge, and ligand functionalization. Drugs can be selectively delivered to specific cell types involved in fibrotic processes. This targeted delivery enhances therapeutic efficacy while minimizing systemic toxicity and adverse effects. Despite these promising developments, several challenges remain, including potential hepatotoxicity of certain nanoparticle materials, limited biodegradability, and the complexity of translating experimental findings into clinical practice. Moreover, liver fibrosis involves multiple signaling pathway and cellular interaction, which may limit the effectiveness of single drug therapies. Therefore, further research is required to optimize nanoparticle design and explore combination therapies to improve clinical outcomes. And for the last is the conclusion. Nanodrug delivery systems represent a promising and innovative strategy for the targeted treatment of liver fibrosis. These systems improve drug targeting, enhance therapeutic efficiency, and reduce adverse side effects compared with traditional treatments. Nevertheless, further studies are needed to address current limitations, including nanoparticle safety, biodegradability, and long-term therapeutic effectiveness. Future research should focus on the development of safer and more efficient nanocarriers, as well as combination therapies, including gene-based treatment, to achieve more effective and clinically applicable antifibrotic therapies.
Okay, the finals. I will explain the conclusions of these articles. Obviously, I agree. What are sayings by Rafi? The future research should focus on the developments of safer and more efficient nanocarriers, as well combinations therapies, including gen-based treatments, in order to achieve more effective and clinically applications antifibrotic therapies. That concludes our presentations, and thank you very much for your attending. If you were any questions, we would be happy to answer in column commentars. Thank you so much, and